these are I'll call this the intricacies of the simple interest and compound interest formulas. Okay, so before I get there, you all know what annum means. And annum is a year. So annual is yearly and per annum is per year. Okay, so here's your basic simple interest formula. They can start trying to be a little bit funny by giving you the length of time that you invest money. They give it to you in months. Or they can start telling you what your interest rate is per month instead of per year. So then things start getting a little bit tricky. So I just want to explain this all to you. Okay, so first of all, your P. You know what that is, eh? It's what you initially invest. So P is pretty simple. There's no problems there. Okay. Your I is always an annual interest rate. We make it yellow. So if they want to be funny and they want to tell you that you're investing at 1% per month, well then, guess what you're going to put into the I? If it's 1% per month, doesn't that mean times by 12? 12% per year. So the 12% is what you're going to put into the I, not the 1. Okay? And then the N. If they tell you that they're investing the money for 6 months, don't go and put a 6 in there. That's 6 months. Your N must be the number of years. So if you invest for 6 months, isn't that half a year? Which is the same as 0.5. So put 0.5 into your N. Okay. As long as you remember that your interest rate here is always per annum, so just make a conversion, and your N here is always in terms of years, so make the conversion. As long as you put them in that format, you'll always get the right F. Okay. And then across to the compound interest formula. Again, P is exactly the same. It's what you invest. Alright. Now, your I, you'll have come across examples where your interest rate is divided by something. I want you just to understand this. You always divide your I by the number of compoundings that are taking place per year. Alright, so if they're going to say that your money is compounded monthly, okay, if your money is compounded monthly, well, that means it's going to get compounded 12 times a year, hey? So you must put in here a 12. And if you put a 12 down there, you better put a 12 up there as well. So that must also become a 12. I'm going to explain the N now. Okay? Let's just go back. What happens if they said that we're going to be compounding our money weekly? Alright? Weekly. If we're getting our money compounded weekly, it means our money is going to get compounded 52 times in a year, because there are 52 weeks in a year. Same number of cards in a deck. Anyway, that's besides the point. So, if your money is being compounded weekly, you must make your C 52. And if that's 52, That's also 52.